Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the SAT in just one day. Let's dive right into maximizing your score with limited time. We'll focus on smart strategies to boost your confidence and performance. Remember, even a single day of focused effort can make a significant difference. This guide will help you prioritize effectively. For the math section, concentrate on core concepts. Quickly review essential formulas for algebra, geometry, and data analysis. Practice solving a few problems from each category to refresh your memory. Focus on understanding the question's intent rather than just memorizing steps. This will help you tackle various problem types efficiently. In the reading and writing sections, efficiency is key. For reading, practice skimming passages to grasp the main idea before diving into details. For writing, quickly review common grammar rules, punctuation, and sentence structure. Focus on identifying the most concise and grammatically correct options. This targeted review will sharpen your skills. On test day, a calm mindset is crucial. Ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep the night before. Eat a nutritious breakfast to keep your energy levels stable throughout the exam. Arrive at the test center early with your admission ticket, photo ID, and 2 No. 2 pencils. Stay positive and trust your preparation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.